Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having VHS camera effect for Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package over here. Stefan Staffanton, yeah, it's difficult to read. Staffanton released this package almost 8 years ago, but he updated the package 4 years ago. It means Unity VHS glitch. You just need to download the zip and import these parameters, these folders, these three folders to your package, to your projects folder, or even you can import all of these things directly by double click on this VHS glitch. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. Okay, let's take a look at this package over here. It doesn't have any sample scene, so we need to make a sample scene here. Let's make an empty scene here. And now we have main camera. As you can see, we have just a main camera, and over here we have nothing else. So let's drag and drop VHS post process to this main camera. It's attached the video player directly to this guy as well automatically after I imported glitch effect onto this camera, this VHS post process effect. Okay, after that it says, okay my friends, we should import add shader and VHS clip. The first shader is here, VHS post process effect. Drag and drop here, and now it says, okay, let's add the video glitch here. All right, perfect. Now we don't have any error. Oh, okay, fine. Now play the scene. Beautiful. Look at this. It's very beautiful. Realistic. Beautiful. Alright. I hope you liked this video. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.